Hello friends, today in this video we will learn two ways to combine the data from different worksheets into one. I'm sure that this video is really going to be very helpful. Here I am taking marks of students in 4 quarters, that is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter in 3 different subjects and their total also. So in the consolidated sheet, I will select the range where I want to see sum of marks of all 4 quarters. After selecting the range, I will go to Data tab. In the Data tab, we have Data Tools and Consolidated also. When I will click on Consolidated, a window will pop up. Here I can see a drop-down menu where different functions are mentioned. Here I will select sum as I am going to explain about sum in this video. Now the reference. Here I have to take reference. So my first reference is first quarter. I will select the range. Then I will click on add. Then I will go to second quarter, add. Third quarter, add. And for the fourth, I will follow the same process, add. After adding data from all the 4 sheets, I will click on create links to source data. I will explain you that how it is going to be helpful. Now I will click on OK. After clicking on OK, you can see I have got the desired result. Now if I will go to this data and I want to cross check it, I will go to first quarter 50 plus 40 90 plus 90 180 and 72 50. So you can see we have got the correct result. Now I want to make changes in the data. It is a practical problem that sometimes we need to change the data. Here 50, I'm going to make it 100. Now let us see the result. So automatically there is change in the output. So we can understand that this is really going to be very helpful. Now you can see few plus signs have appeared here. If I click on this, I can see the source data. I don't need to go back to check this. I will explain you the second method to combine the data from different worksheets into one. But always remember that the format of all the sheets should be same. Otherwise, we are not going to get the desired result. Now, in the first cell, I will write equal to sum bracket start. I will go to first quarter and I will select the first data. After that, I will press Shift key and click on fourth quarter. Now you can see all the 4 quarters are selected. After that, I will close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see we have got the desired result. We will cross check whether our answer is correct or not. I will go to first quarter 100 plus 50, 200, 150, 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50. 250. Now I would like to make changes in the data. In the second quarter, I have made it 100. In the third quarter, I have made it 10. And in the fourth quarter, I have made it 90. Now I will check the data. My answer is 300. See, 100 plus 100, 200 plus 210 plus 90, 300. Now I will just drag it. Now you can see I have got my output. I just wanted the consolidated report of all the 4 quarters into one. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.